Welcome to Vlogmas. If you'd like to see what I eat in a day, be sure to watch this video. Hi, my name is Patty. Thanks for clicking on my channel, Winning at Weight Loss. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Today, I am going to be doing a what I eat in a day. It's football Sunday. So I am starting the day off with some breakfast that I'm making. And I'm also we're having pizza at the football today. And I'm gonna be making my own pizza. So if you'd like to see what I eat in a day on the WW Personal Points Plan, that has helped me lose over 100 pounds, come on along and share the day with me. For breakfast this morning, I cut up some pieces of bacon. I'm making breakfast for me and my husband. And I'm going to make a little bit of a bacon omelet. I have some Trader Joe's hash brown patties in the air fryer, one for me, two for him. I have some eggs that I'm scrambling up and ready to get in the pan. After the eggs start to cook a little bit, I add the bacon that I drained the grease off of. So I patted it with a paper towel, and I'll scramble up the eggs. And there is my Sunday morning breakfast. 4 points for the Trader Joe's hash brown patty, which is right here. Scrambled eggs is going to be 2 points because of the bacon. 1 piece of toast with sugar-free jelly, and that is a 1 point piece of bread. So that is going to be a 7 point breakfast. Plus I have my iced coffee for 2 points, so that's 9 points total. There was so much noise from the football that I have to do a voiceover. For lunch, I brought my leftover pasta that I made out of the Trader Joe's artichoke dip, and that was very good. It was 5 points. Everybody else ate chicken wings. Later on, everyone had pizza and potato fries called JoJo's, but I decided to make my own pizza. I used some portobello mushroom caps as the crust. I got a recipe from Christy at Planning Us Healthy, and I cleaned out the inside of the mushroom caps. Then I sprinkled some garlic powder on the mushroom caps, and I popped them in the oven at 400 degrees for about 10 minutes so it would get rid of some of the liquid. And then when they came out of the oven, I blotted them because there was some liquid on it. And then I used some pizza sauce in the inside. I used about 2 tablespoons on each mushroom cap. Next, I added some turkey pepperoni. I added about 12 pieces, 6 on each mushroom cap. Then I added some light mozzarella cheese on each one from Trader Joe's, and that is about 2 points worth total of cheese. And then I'll bake it in the oven at 400 degrees for 10 minutes. After I sprinkled some Italian seasoning on it, and this is the pizzas when they came out of the oven. They were good. Everybody else ate pizza, and I ate my mushroom pizza. My niece decorates her house with some really cool ornaments and decor. So right after I have my 4 point Built Bar as a snack, I'm going to show you some of her decorations. Really cool tree and ornaments. This is my niece's tree. Choo-choo! Here comes the train. Go Buckeyes.
But not in Christmas, I guess. Charlie, I know who can take a wonderful season like Christmas and turn it into a problem. Maybe Lucy is right. Try to catch snowflakes on your tongue. It's fun. I always wait till January. They sure look like it. What are you gonna do when you grow up? Maybe I'll make... So great! Here we come a-wandering somewhere to be seen.
Big Bob's Tree Lot, where we've got a tree to fit every elf.
I wanted a sweet treat tonight, so I'm having 3 pizzelles for 3 points and 10 of the Drizzlicious birthday cake for, I believe it's 1 point. So that's gonna, we'll make it a 5-point dessert. And that's gonna end my day. So that's the end of Vlogmas Day 13. I hope you enjoyed my niece's variety of Christmas ornaments and to see what I ate in the day on the Weight Watcher Personal Point Program. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified of every time I upload a new video. Remember, we're here to eat healthy, get fit, and be well. This is Patty, and I'm winning at weight loss. Thanks so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.